but definitely would be pleased with the result. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is excellent running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very good shot at this stage of the game. They are packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end. They placed at point. Oh, that was a seriously weak ball. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. Oh, what a shot that is. He picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. The bowler missing his line here, and that's why. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Strokes it into the gap for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
placed at point.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Fielder placed at point.
Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Nudges it for a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is a very quick single taken.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he goes to his heel. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. They have run the first one quick. running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Last ball of the innings coming up. That is excellent running between the wickets.